yeah. I miss the love we used to share. Not only silence in the air. Your name still echo everywhere I go, but you don't feel me anymore. I know I hold on tight to what we had, even when the memory cuts so bad. Heart still beating, but it feels so cold since you let go of what we hold. Used to wake up to your morning smile. Now I walk these streets for miles. Every corner bring back you. Every shadow feels so true. We used to talk till late night gone. Now I'm singing a lonely song. Your laugh still dance inside my head, but your love is gone instead. I miss the love we used to share. Now only silence in the air. Your name still echo everywhere I go, but you don't feel me anymore. I know I hold on tight to what we had, even when the memory cuts so bad. Heart still beating, but it feels so cold since you let go of what we hold. Time move forward, but I stay still, trying to fight what I can't heal. Friends them tell me let it go, but them never felt this low. I see your face in every dream, but waking up tear the scene. Love like ours don't fade so fast, it just become a painful past. If love was fire, ours was flame. Now only ashes remain the same. I reach for you in empty space, but all I touch is your missing place. Maybe one day I'll be alright, sleep in peace through lonely night. But right now I still feel you near, even though you're not here. So I sing this song for what we were, for every touch, for every word. If love still lives somewhere above, send me back a piece of our love. I miss the love we used to share. Now only silence in the air. Your name still echo everywhere I go, but you don't feel anymore. I know I hold on tight to what we had, even when the memory cuts so bad. Heart still beating, but it feels so cold since you let go of what we own. Babylon streets tonight, truth rise up in the darkest light. System shake when the people chant, Jah fire burn every false plant. Hey. Them build the tower upon blood and lies, selling dreams while the poor man cry. Youth them hungry but hope still near. Rastafari's cutting through the fear, from concrete jungle to hillside town. Truth a march and it now back down. Every drum beat tell the story clear. Freedom calling everybody here. No more chains in the skies we wear. Burn out oppression, cleanse the air. Smoke rise, but the spirit's strong. Babylon days can't last. my soul through stormy weather. Keep me strong when life gets tougher. In the valley or mountain high, oh yeah, Jah light shine, and every morning when the sun rise, I give thanks for life and skies. Road them rough, but I still trot, walking humble with faith in God. Jah guide my soul. Oh, Jah guide my soul. People fight, but I choose peace. Let the wickedness slowly cease. Spirit steady like river flow. Jah alone make my strength grow. When night falls and vision fade, Jah hand lead me through the shade. No weapon formed shall break my will. Love and truth remain his skill. Jah guide my soul. Jah guide my soul. Oh na 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 na. Oh, hey, Rasta children, rise up now. No more bowing to the system. Oh, education of the soul and mind. Leave confusion and fear behind. From ghetto corners, them hear the cry. Young ones dreaming to touch the sky. Dreadlock shaking with ancient flame, calling justice in Zion name. Books and wisdom, the real weapon, not the lies them teach again and again. Stand together, unite as one, like morning light and rising sun. Break the cycle, stop the chain. Righteous power rise again. Break the cycle. Hey. Future glowing in every seed. Plant the love and kill the greed. Rasta children, rise up now. Rise up now. Why? Why? Well, na 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 na. Freedom train might never come down the line. Still people waiting like it's borrowed time. Hear the whistle, but it fade in a sound. Babylon still standing, still hold the ground. Rise up now or staying asleep. Promises deep, but action weak. Chains them visible, chains them blind. Freedom harder, feel really fine. Steel wheel stop, but them stay on track. Same old system keep pulling man back. Hope get advertised like it sure fi arrive, but most of the people just survive, not live. Every station look like change is near, but next moment face, but deep down pain. Freedom train might never come down the line. Still people waiting like it's borrowed time. Hear the whistle but it fade in a soul. Babylon still standing, still hold the ground. Rise up now or stay in a sleep. Promises deep but action weak. Chains them visible, chains them blind. Freedom harder, feel really fine. Modern slavery, suit and tie. 9 to 5 but the soul get dry. Bills keep rising like tide on shore. Man work harder but still stay poor. Mental chains where them can't see. Scrolling life like it fake TV. Dream them buried under tired mind. Comfort zone keep the future blind. Laziness creep like silent thief. Steal the will and kill belief. Waiting pan change but never move. So nothing shifts, nothing improve. Maybe the train was never real. Maybe the system know how we feel. Freedom now come like gift from sky. You have to build it before you die. Wake the spirit, break the spell. Only action will break the cell. Lion still buried inside, but too much fear and too much pride. Truth them whisper but man ignore. Still locked inside the mental door. History show how chains get smart. First them conquer the mind and heart. If you don't move, you stay behind. Lost in a cycle, lost in time. Freedom train might never come down the line. So stop waiting, take back your time. Hear the silence louder than sound. Only you can turn it around. Rise up now or stay asleep. Life too real, if promise is cheap. Chains them visible, chains them blind. Freedom start from inside the mind. Zion garden blooms so bright, healing souls in an eternal light. Every blossom lift Jah name. His mercy never fade or change. In the valley or mountain high, His truth remain, it never die. Love like river steady flow. In Zion garden we all know. As written in the ancient word, in the beginning let it be heard. Genesis light break through the dark. Jah breath ignite the living spark. River of life from Eden stream, flowing deeper than human dream. No false prophet, no disguise, only truth before righteous eyes. Psalm of David in the breeze, sing through branches of ancient trees. The earth is Jah and fullness thereof. Every root grow fed by love. Zion garden blooms so bright, healing souls in an eternal light. Every blossom lift Jah name. His mercy never fade or change. the valley or mountain high, His truth remain, it never die. Love like river steady flow. In Zion garden we all know. Children walk where lions rest. Peace of Jah dwell in every chest. Like Isaiah vision come alive, where humility and truth survive. Under fig tree, no fear, no pain, only blessing falling like rain. He shall wipe every tear away. Scripture guiding every day, nature preaching without a sound. Sacred wisdom all around, even stone and river sing. Glory to the eternal King. Revelation of a better day, where Babylon dissolve away. No more war, the scriptures say. Light shall lead the righteous way. Enter through the narrow gate. Love is stronger than hate and faith. What is planted shall not fall. Jah creation bless us all. He who walks in righteousness finds the garden of blessedness. Like Solomon in wisdom deep, truth is harvest we all keep. Mountains echo ancient song. Jah was right all along. Every soul return again, washed in mercy, free from sin. Zion not just place or land, but the love within the hand. Heart them clean, spirit strong. This is where we all belong. Zion garden blooms so bright, healing souls in a eternal light. Every blossom lift Jah name. His mercy never fade or change. In the valley or mountain high, His truth remain, it never die. Love like river steady flow. In Zion garden we all know. Oh, yeah. Papa, pray for me tonight. Cover me through the darkest fight. When the world get cold and rough, your love still teach me I'm enough. Stand like a mountain, strong and true. Every step I take, I remember you. And if I stray from righteous way, Papa Vice, bring me back again. Yeah. I grow up in a struggle street, barefoot dreams on tired feet. But your words was like steady rain, soothing hunger, easing pain. You know, walk alone, you used to say. Jah guide you every single day. In a silence or in a shout, you teach me what real love about. You're never rich, but you were gold. Stories of courage you always told. Through your eyes I learned to see strength is more than what you be. Papa, pray for me tonight. Cover me through the darkest fight. When the world gets cold and rough, your love still teach me I'm enough. Stand like a mountain, strong and true. Every step I take, I remember you. And if I stray from righteous way, Papa Vice, bring me back again. Them tempt me with quick gain and pride, patience must be found. So I choose the longer road, even when the burden load. Hard times shape the righteous soul, that's so broken men gets whole. Sometimes tears I can't explain, but your teaching break the chain. Every sacrifice you made built the man I am today. And when I look beyond the flesh, I see a presence still intermesh. My earthly father strong and real, but Jah above is what I feel. For every lesson, every scar, he was guiding from afar. Heavenly Father in the sky, watching over I and I. So when my earthly strength get low, Jah spirit make me grow and grow. Two fathers walking side by side, one in flesh, one deep inside. Now I rise, I stand up tall, even when the shadows call. Your voice still echo in my mind, never leave your faith behind. I walk with purpose, calm and slow, through the valley where trials grow. But I no fear what life may bring, I'm protected under greater wing. From boy to man, I learn and see, love is legacy, not luxury. And every step I take I hear the prayers you always say. Hey. Papa, pray for me tonight, cover me through the darkest fight. When the world get cold and rough, your love still teach me I'm enough. Stand like a mountain, strong and true. Every step I take, I remember you. And when life pull me far astray, Papa voice bring me back again.
Confusion, every nation, every land, rise together, hand in hand. No more division, no more chain. Wash away hatred, wash away pain. One heart beating through the system noise. Love is stronger than a weapon or voice. Borders draw lines upon borrowed soil, while the people still suffer and tire. But just son no choose no side. It rise pan high, it spread wide. Black, brown and white unite, different skin but same in a light. Every culture carry truth, same old wisdom in every youth. Politicians build the wall, but music make them barriers fall. When the drum starts speaking truth, it awaken every sleeping youth. Hey! One love, one revolution, healing earth from the confusion. Every nation, every land, rise together, hand in hand. No more division, no more chain. Wash away hatred, wash away pain. One heart beating through the system noise. Love is stronger than weapon or vice. War and greed them sell like gold, while the innocent suffer cold. Promises turn into smoke and air, but still the people, them still care. We tired for the same old fight. Darkness hiding from the light. Time for build instead of break. Time for learn instead of take. Every child deserve a chance, not just survival, but to dance. Future written in our
become one voice, giving every soul a choice. From Kingston here to distant shore, music open every door. Broken hearts start feel the sound, healing vibrations all around. Rhythm carry truth and flame, calling every man by name. No more yours and mine and them, only love can truly mend. When the rhythm start to breathe, even sorrow start to leave. Hey, one love, one revolution, healing earth from deep confusion. Every nation, every land, rise together hand in hand. No more division, no more chain. Wash away hatred, wash away pain. One heart beating through the system noise. Love is stronger than weapon or choice. Hey. Oh. Roots never rust, them forever strong. Carry through the ancient song. From past to future we still stand tall. Jah foundation never fall. No time can bury what truth create. No system stronger than love and faith. When the world change and people adjust, still the roots them never rust. Time may shift like desert sand, but truth remain true, Jah command. Empires rise then fade away, but righteousness forever stay. Wash away sorrow, break the chain. Let the wisdom heal the pain. Every struggle write a song, teaching weak heart to be strong. Vinyl crackle, ancient song, history spinning underground. Every groove carry device, reminding man he still got choice. Roots never rust, them forever strong. Carry through the ancient song. From past to future we still stand tall. Jah foundation never fall. No time can bury what truth create. No system stronger than love and faith. When the world change and people adjust, still the roots them never rust. New generation light the flame, but same old fire burn the name. Different clothes, same heartbeat, same struggle in every street. Culture travel across the land, guided by unseen hand. From ghetto corner to global stage, truth still written on every page. Eternal fire in the sound, lift the broken from the ground. Even when the world turn cold, roots still stronger than gold. What your plant cannot decay, even if the world drift away. Deep like a river under stone, roots survive when all alone. Sky may tremble, seas may rise, but truth still live through human eyes. What is sacred cannot break, it only sleep, it never shake. History talk through every beat, marching steady through the street. Ancient rhythm in modern skin, same old truth living within. Every drummer, memory voice, reminding mankind of choice. Build or burn, love or fight, stay in darkness or choose the light. And when the system try erase, roots can